So I was helping somebody else out with this sewing machine. The complaint was that the zigzag didn't work. So the first thing I did was, without taking it all apart, just look around in here where the shuttle hook is and the bobbin and get all the fuzz out. And actually you also had to take the screws out to get the bracket off so you could pull that actually out of there and get everything out of the bottom. And actually, when I tried it out, I didn't really see a problem with the zigzag specifically, but the tension wasn't holding, so that got me to take this whole thing apart. Because the tension also got stuck on like number four. It wouldn't go any, I forget whether it was looser or harder, but anyway, it wouldn't move. And I took it apart. You can see there's little catches in there where it was apparently getting stuck. So I thought that was the issue, like this, maybe this metal bit was too sharp. So I was going to take it off to file that down, but then you see that that post is really rusty and it doesn't let you take it off. It's so rusty, it blocks it from moving all the way. So that's really probably how that groove got cut in there, and that might have been the root cause of the whole thing. So the tension didn't work. So that made the sewing, the zigzag, or any other stitch not really work very well. So I did spend some time trying to clean out that groove. It was hard to get much in there to do much about it, but also then file off the edges on the little guidepost. Um, but like I said, I think the main thing was to clean up that post. So I got some uh, fine sandpaper and sort of polished that post up and got all the rust off it, and then put a little bit of grease on it, and then yeah, then put it back together and made sure it worked. And it was a little bit hard to figure out how the pieces got back together, but after a few tries, I think I got it right. So now the tension seems to work. You can So we tried it on the low tension and the high tension, and that seemed good. The other thing I had noticed when we first looked at the tension was it looked like the thing was a bit cocked. So, but there is a mechanism that's it's supposed to do that. I wasn't sure if it was stuck or not to begin with, but now it looks like it's good.